With my vacation just a week away, I'm sharing how I stay productive, give myself a mini glow up at home, and get everything cleaned and organized before I leave. So while I'm on vacation, I can kind of relax and not think. I'll start my reset routine tomorrow, and the goal is to get everything done before my trip. So to spark my mini glow up, I kind of want to do like a facial massage every morning, and I'm just going to do it while I'm doing my skincare. I don't know how much deep puffing it actually does. You probably have to do it for like a couple weeks to actually notice a difference, but I feel a lot more awake, so I feel like that's a nice way to wake up either way. I'm just gonna change and go to yoga, and I'll be back. When I'm busy, I feel like I'm always just severely dehydrated, so I'm going to make sure I drink at least a glass of water every morning. I added lemon just to keep on theme with the whole cleansing and resetting. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I've just been using this. I don't know if the effects are the same or not, but this is 100% organic lemon juice, and it tastes just like the same as pouring a lemon inside. And I'm also gonna save all the lemon skin that I use throughout the week, so then I can use it at the end when I'm gonna do my whole cleaning routine. So before I start working, I think I'm gonna take a look at what I have in the fridge to see what I need to cook throughout the week. For now, I'm just gonna wash all my fruits and vegetables so it's like ready and easy to use. And maybe later today I'll just meal prep some simple stuff that I can eat throughout the week. That took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to, but at least it's gonna be easy for the rest of the week because of it. Okay, so now I gotta get some editing done today, like I gotta hyper focus, but I'm gonna be trying this week and next week. It's called Magic Mind. It's like a mental performance shot. It's supposed to enhance your mood and focus while reducing stress, which is kind of what I need this week. It comes in these little shots. It's so tiny. I refrigerated it. It doesn't have to be, but I feel like it would taste better. It just tastes like a vitamin C green juice. Yeah, very easy to drink. I should mention that they did reach out and send this to me. We kind of wanted to see if we're a good fit first, and I'm kind of excited because this is like the first brand I actually agreed to work with, because yeah, other brands I'm like, I feel like it's not relevant to my channel or to me, but this is something I'm actually, interested in. So we'll see how it goes. They said I can give like an honest review by the end of the 7 days, so I'll let you know if it does anything. I don't think it's meant to be like a quick fix solution thing, like all the other things I'm doing. I think it's perfect for my type of lifestyle, but we shall see how it goes. It is currently 5:20. I basically edited all day. I'm gonna meal prep some simple things, not like full-on meal prep, but just some treats and snacks and little things that I have to get rid of. I'm gonna make ajitama just to get rid of my eggs. I'm gonna cook a huge batch of 12 eggs. These come in super handy when you're busy. I like to cook the eggs for 7 minutes exact and then throw it in the ice bath. Wait 10 minutes. Peel everything and then throw it in the sauce and then just marinate overnight. Next, I'm gonna make some chia pudding so I have some healthy breakfast options ready to go. You basically just mix it all together, wait 5 minutes, mix it again, and then throw it in the fridge overnight. And lastly, I'm gonna make some energy balls. These are the perfect snack to have on hand. I kind of make this quite often just so like Jack and I can snack on it before surfing or whatever. I just mix it all in the food processor and then make these little balls, and I just throw it all in the fridge. Yeah, just to end the day, this is something else I'm gonna do for 7 days, just whiten my teeth. I usually use this one, but I kind of wanted to try a different one. I've been eyeing this one out too, so we'll see. You wanna see my teeth before? That's gross. Nice and sturdy. Oh, it's stickier. I think I like this color. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay, we're a few days away and today I just wanted to do a full mini glow up. I did like a balayage a month ago and it just keeps getting lighter because I go in the ocean. So I'm just gonna put a hair mask and do like a semi-permanent dye just so it's a little darker. And I also want to try and bleach my eyebrows for the first time. Not like blonde, but I feel like with these strands here that's a little lighter, my eyebrows just look a little too dark. So never done it before. Worst case scenario, I can fill them in, right? I've been using these since I balayaged my hair. They help when it starts to get a little brassy. And then I'm gonna do this hair mask to kind of darken up my hair again. It says to leave on for 5 to 7 minutes, but last time I left it on for like 20 minutes and it was fine. This front part always gets the lightest first. This is the final color. I kind of just air dried it a little bit. It's still a little damp. Never done this before. Fill it up to the line. It's kind of up to the line. A cap full of this. Apply with spatula to the area to be bleached, covering hair completely. Wait 8 minutes and remove with spatula. If hair is not completely bleached, reapply the mixture for another 5 to 10 minutes. It's been done. We shall see. Oh god, I gotta set a timer. Let's do 6 minutes. I just added another 2 minutes. I feel like it'll be okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna do my nails. Cutting your nails is not good content. It doesn't look clean, but it's all cut. And tomorrow I'll clean it. Okay, let's take this off. Does it look the same? Wow, interesting. Why didn't I think of doing this before? Wow, it is brown. That is the finished look. Can you tell a difference? I feel like it matches my hair a little bit more, right? I don't know. I feel like it's not a huge difference, but it also is at the same time. Our flight is tomorrow. We just gotta pack and clean up the whole house. So we're kind of just gonna divide our task. Here's some products I use for cleaning. I don't know if you get like this too, but I like to do all my laundry, vacuum the whole house, and tidy up the rooms before leaving. It eases my mind knowing that nothing is rotting away while I'm gone, and I can come home to a sparkly, clean home. Finished my last Magic Mind, and honestly I'm so glad they reached out to me and that they're a good product. Like, it actually works. It doesn't make you all jittery or anything. In the morning I have my coffee and that's enough to get me going, and I don't need to pair it with this. But it's the afternoon crash that gets me. If I'm editing in the morning and I have lunch, and then when I have to work again, it's like a little bit harder to get back into that flow state. So this has been coming in really handy for those moments. It's a really well put together product, I think. And if you want to try it, they did give me a discount code, so I'll leave that below. And if you're curious, you can try it too. Just a few more things to tidy up around the house, and we're done. For the sink, I always scrub it down with a brush every couple days, but today I'm using the leftover lemon skin, baking soda, and vinegar to make it extra sparkly. Okay, so we are all done cleaning the house. Now I'm just gonna do my last little attempt with my mini glow up since everything got a little hectic. I'm just gonna put this on, and then I think I'm just gonna clean my nails a little bit. I don't really like getting my nails done often, so to clean it up a bit, I'm just going to push my cuticles in and add a clear coat of nail polish. I'm going to Japan, so I need to make sure I look my best, even though my best efforts feel like the bare minimum there. I'm glad I cleaned myself up a little bit. Now I need to pack my bags, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!